Storm blue. 1 single crochet in the second chains 4 space of the round 18. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the next chains 4 space. Chains 4. One single crochet in the following chains 4 space. Skip to the first space of chains 2 of the round 21 and work 3 triples crossed together. Chains 3. 3 triples close together. Chains 3. Repeat in the other 2 spaces. And the last one ended with 3 triple close together. One single crochet in the chains 4 space of the round 20. Chains 4. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 24 3 triples close together, 24 single crochets, 8 chains 4, 4 chains 3, 20 chains 3. Buttermilk. Start in the second chains 2 space of the round 20. One puff 4. Chains 2. 1 puff 4 in same space. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the chains 4 space of the round 22. Chains 3. One single crochet in the same space. Chains 5. Behind the work, perform 1 puff in the space between the second and third double crochet of the round 20. chains 4. Skip 2 stitches. 1 puff. Chains 4. Skip 2 stitches. 1 puff. Chains 5. One single crochet in the chains 4 space of the round 22. Chains 3. One single crochet in the same space. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first puff. Total: 8 puff 4, 12 puffs, 16 single crochets, 8 chains 5, 8 chains 4, 16 chains 3, 4 chains 2. Buttermilk. 1 single crochet in the chains 2 space of the round 20. Chains 4. One single crochet in the chains 3 space of the round 23. Chain 6. One single crochet in chains 2 space of the round 23. Chains 4. One single crochet in the last chains 2 space of the round 20. One triple front post taking the 2 double crochets of the round 20. Chains 4. One triple front post in the puff of the round 23. Chains 4. Repeat this sequence 3 more times, but finish with 1 triple front post. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 28 triples front post, 24 single crochets, 4 chains 6, 32 chains 4. Gold: 1 single crochet in the chains 3 space of the round 22. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the chains 4 space of the round 24. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the chains 2 space of the round 20. One popcorn in the first chains 3 space of the round 22, bringing the chains forward. Chain 1. Continue working 1 popcorn on each side of the 3 double crochets close together of the round 22 separated by chain 1. Finish with 1 popcorn to the right of the last 3 double crochets closed together. 1 single crochet in the chains 2 space of the round 20. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the chains 3 space of the round 24. Chains 3. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total: 40 popcorns, 20 single crochets, 12 chains 3, 36 chains 1. Khaki: 1 single crochet in chains 3 space of the round 25. Chains 3. 1 single crochet in the next chains 3 space of the round 25. Chains 2. 1 single crochet in the following chains 3 space. Chains 2. Work 1 puff in the center of the popcorns of the round 25. Chains 3. Finish with 1 puff. Chains 2. 1 single crochet in the chains 3 space of the round 25. Chains 2. Repeat 3 more times. Close with 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Total 40 puff 3, 16 single crochets, 40 chains 3, 16 chains 2.